Good afternoon and welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the 85th Annual STA Market Structure Conference. Joining me for this segment is Rajan. He is the Chief Information Security Officer over at Thesys. Pat, thank you so much for joining us at the STA Conference. Let's talk about CAT a little bit. What's its role in the industry?
So CAT stands for the Consolidated Audit Trail. It was conceived under SEC Rule 613 to have all of the activity in the national market system collected in one central repository to facilitate surveillance, assess risk, and things like that.
Let's talk about cybersecurity right now in the industry and how the CAT fits into that, because it sounds like there's a lot of data that needs to be protected there.
There is. There's a lot of information that is both proprietary to people doing things, as well as personal information, or PII. And of course, in today's world, that's a huge area of concern.
But what should organizations be doing to protect themselves, the data that they're putting out on CAT and other areas? Because it seems like there's a lot of information that's susceptible to cybercrime.
There is, and there's a lot of information that can be monetized, which is why it's a target of cybercrime. Right. Organizations really should have a good, solid security program. They should have the right personnel, the right investment in their programs, the right governance, oversight, and structure around the program.
Well, to wrap it up, let's talk about the latest technology right now in cybersecurity industry that's servicing the capital markets industry.
If I think about different technologies servicing capital markets industries that has to do with security, there's a slew of things.
Right.
And I think the key to technology and security is, number one, it needs to be part of your framework. And number two, defense in depth. There's no one single magic bullet. So you really need to think about all of your risk profile and have a stack of solutions, and including processes, not just technology, that address those risks.
Do you think organizations are doing a better job in terms of cybersecurity now?
I think it's a continuing evolution. I think the recent, even if it's unfortunate, the recent awareness that's been brought to it with high-profile breaches has forced that to be the case.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Ross, for joining us at STA. And thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.